the update. So yes and yes, everywhere is calm. No relevant authorities here to address us. That's the most painful aspect of these things. How can a woman, a mother of how many kids, be murdered in the cold of blood, and nobody is saying anything about it? Our people are just marching freely in the market to protest, to draw the attention of the federal government, of the state government.
Hello my people, welcome back to Urban People TV, where we bring you stories that matter straight from the streets, unfiltered and very real. Today it's with a very heavy heart we report on something truly heartbreaking. It's been described online as a Black Saturday in Ogun State. And why is that? Because our people, yes, Igbo traders in Ifo in Ogun State have shut down their businesses in protest over the tragic death of one of their own, Mrs. Blessing Eze. Blessing is a trader and a mother who was reportedly stabbed to death by some touts, Yoruba touts, and this happened simply because she refused to pay a so-called 1,500 naira festival tax that was allegedly being demanded from traders due to the Eid Mubarak celebrations. Now, the aftermath of this ugly incident has been loud and clear. Shops shut down, people mourning, and traders demanding justice. And we're not talking about small market closures. This was a serious protest by the Igbo community in that area. These are people who leave their homes every day just to hustle, survive, and contribute to the local economy. So naturally, the question people are asking now is, why are things like this still happening in 2025? Is it truly okay for anyone to impose illegal levies on citizens? And what's worse, resulting to violence when someone refuses? Now, let's talk plainly but with sense. This is not about religion or ethnicity. It's about law, order, and how people are treated regardless of where they come from. Yes, there's been growing concern among Igbos about how they are sometimes treated in different parts of Nigeria, especially in the West and North. But here on Urban People TV, we believe in unity, justice, and fairness. This isn't a time to stoke tension. It's time to ask the real questions. Who sent these touts in the first place? Why should any Nigerian, Igbo, Hausa, or Yoruba pay illegal taxes for a festival? And most importantly, when will we see serious accountability for actions like this? We are calling on the Ogun State government, the police, the community leaders. This issue should not be swept under the carpet because Mrs. Blessing Eze did not deserve to die like that, like a fowl. She was a mother, a wife, a citizen, and her death deserves justice. At the same time, we're also calling on our people, Ndi Igbo, let's stay calm, demand justice through proper channels, and not let anger divide communities that should be working together. So what do you think? Let's hear your thoughts in the comments. Be respectful, be honest, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. And may Mrs. Blessing Eze's soul rest in peace.
So that's where it's happening. It's not you saw it in Facebook. It's not you saw it on TikTok. We are live to tell you what is happening. So everybody is bitterly complaining. Everybody is bitterly complaining. Shops have been lost. You cannot sell a house. You imagine that is one of the traders complaining. They will ask you for money. We are live for now, right away, in the protest of our sister, Mrs. Eze, that was being stabbed to death by the Yoruba talks yesterday. A neighbor here in Ogun State, stating as Prince Hugo is bringing you live updates. This is the protest going on here. We are at the venue of the incident. We are